Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I have an unbagging from New Craft Day. I have received products from New Craft Day in the past, and I have done some reviews on them as well as some unbaggings. I will include that in the eye on the right side if you're interested. And for these, New Craft Day has offered my subscribers 10% for ordering if you go use my link, and that's at the bottom, and also the code, so I'll put that in there for you as well. So let's get started. I actually have 2 canvases, and then I have an off the canvas, and this is going to be another storage container. I am absolutely in love with storage containers lately. I am just wanting to try all of them. So let's look at this one first. This one is going to be smaller than what I have, but I think this would be perfect for on the go. Just stick one of these in your bag and you are ready to go. Okay, so now let's look at this one. This one is another one that's kind of stiff on the bottom. That's to be expected. I'm not worried about that either. They will all lay flat when they're fine. This one is a 30 by 40 and it's gnomes. And there's a gnome there with a little mushroom here that matches the gnome's hat, and a ladybug. My daughter loves watching this show about ladybugs. It's a magical show. And so when she saw this, she had a fit because it had ladybugs on it. It says, "Hello, Spring." So I'll put this one up and work on this probably in March or April. And there's 17 colors, 30 by 40. There is a schematic on both sides. And if you can see the little thumbnail, that's just adorable. And it is going to be special drills. And let's see, HB 239. That's the number of this kit. And it's also with the drills. So that makes it super nice and easy to find. And especially the way that I am organizing my smaller unfinished canvases, since I am getting more smaller ones. These are really pretty as well. I like the silver. It's one of my favorite special rhinestones here. And then you have some kind of orange there, greens. I'm going to flip this over. It's trying to focus on the actual canvas instead of the colors. There we go. I love this pink. It's my favorites too. And the blues. I don't think this one will take very long to kit up either. I'm starting to do more and more of the rhinestones. I think they're just really pretty. And they're different. And then the same for the boat of wax. So again, this is what I've gotten. I'm going to bring you in a little bit so you can see. This one is more clear than the other one. And this is a partial. So if you look at this part here, if you look at this part here, that is where you're not going to drill. That and it's not sticky there, so you don't have to worry about that. So all of this on the outline here, that is going to be just the fabric, the canvas. But this just, it really reminds me of spring with the wreath. It almost reminds me of like I just, got married, because it has the little, wreath on the bottom and has this cute little car. But I am just absolutely loving this one. I can't wait to do this one, but I'm going to put this up until the spring. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I want to again thank New Craft Day for reaching out to me again and offering me products to review. So I have this one, a little owl, which I think is just really, really cute. And then I have this 30 bottle container. And it's the first time that I have gotten a storage from one of the discount companies. So I'm really excited to be able to use this and to just throw this in my bag. I can take it to work and work on it on my lunch hour, or whenever I am sitting waiting on a virtual office hour to see if any students come in. So this will be perfect for either one of these kits, because one has 20 and one only has 17 colors, so they will fit perfectly in these containers. Again, thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate you watching, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.